my channel, and in this video today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a little order I placed with Painted and Posted. Now please excuse this, I ripped my address off so I could just have it there and not have to worry about covering it up. So I came across Painted and Posted on Instagram probably 3 or 4 weeks ago now, and they make some really pretty resin products. And me being a little bit of a magpie and then being very sparkly, I was like, I must place an order. So I did. Now I ordered 2 weeks ago, and it took 2 weeks to arrive. It was probably dispatched 2 or 3 days ago, so it came really quickly in after the dispatch time. But these are handmade and even custom made products, so 2 weeks from order to delivery, I think, for handmade custom products is great, especially when it's a little company and it's often only one person doing everything from making to packaging, shipping, going through the orders and promoting. So in my opinion, that is brilliant, and I do like to support these little UK companies. So I placed this order and I'm really excited to open it. So I will link the website down below in the description box, and I will talk through the products in a bit more detail once I open and show you what I ordered. Now they do advertise their products to nail techs, beauticians, artists, or things like that, and you will see why. So being a nail tech, or not a working nail tech, but still. So thank you for your order and supporting this small business. As I said, I think it's really important, especially at this current time with everything that's going on, supporting these little small businesses. So really nice packaging, lots of tissue paper, which I think I will probably keep hold of because we're getting close to Christmas. So let's take everything out that I ordered. Ooh. And go from there. So I'm just going to take that tissue paper out of the box. Put the box to one side. So we have got some beautifully packaged, it is all beautifully packaged. You see plenty of tissue paper to keep it safe and secure and arrive in one piece. And I will, like I said, keep that ready for Christmas. I'm just going to have a mouthful of my drink. And then each piece itself is individually wrapped. So little organza bag. I do love little organza bags. I don't know why, but I've got a thing about them. And I've got 2 brush holders. So I went for a set of everything clear with sort of these iridescent opal flakes in them. Sorry, I've got pigment in my nail. I've been doing Halloween designs. So products come a variety. You could get gold shards, silver shards. Some of them can come with sort of colour to them as well, not just clear. I went for the clear and opal. So those are brush holders, which great because you can pop them on your desk and then just place your brush on there like so, and so the bristles are not touching your desk, your towel, anything. You're not getting fluff or dust or hair or anything on your brushes. Completely great. So I do like a brush holder. I have one and I hate it, but I do like this, so probably use it more. By having 2, you could use one for your brushes, one for tools. You could mix and match. So 2 little brush holders there. They are very pretty. So cute little organza bag. I keep these from everywhere I get them from. I keep them. I've got loads. when Ryan was little, or even still when he's little, Ryan, when he loses a tooth, my little organza bags come in handy because we put the bag under his pillow for the tooth fairy, and then the tooth fairy leaves his money in the bag. So better than just putting a tooth under, I felt. Okay, so beautiful bits of ribbon. I do card making as well as all my nail stuff. I think I mentioned that in one of my videos recently. So all these sort of things I keep because they come in so useful, and I'm a hoarder. Let's be honest. I'm not a hoarder. I can find use in things. So the next thing I got, and this came as a set. Not all of it was in the set. The 2 brush holders, this, which is a palette, and one of the other items, which was this one, that came as a set. So you could buy that in the opal, in the gold, in the silver as a set. And there are several sets on the website, which I'll link below. So this is a really nice size palette. I like a good size palette because you can have, you know, 4 or 5, 6 different colours and space to do mixing if you want to mix 2 or 3 colours together, or you want to mix in a bit of clear to make more of a glassy finish. You can have them and not run the risk of them sort of going into one another. And again, it's just really pretty. You know, who wouldn't want that on their nail art, on their table, on their desk? And you know, you don't have to use it for paint. You could use it for all sorts of things. I think you can use them as coasters as well, but I will definitely be using this for my nail art. You know, put your brush holder on top if you want. So then we've also got the beautiful little boxes, which I love a little box. I might keep these because I could decorate those for in my little crafty area. So the next thing I got is, oh, pull it out without losing the little bits of, is a ring palette. Now you might be thinking, I mean, this came as a set, but you might be thinking, if you've got a ring palette, why do you need a big palette as well? But I think ring palettes are great for when you are holding a nail, a tip or anything, and you're doing some, you know, quite fine freehand art. Some people almost decant it on their nails so they can use less product. Have your ring palette, you can have your colour on there, you can dip in, you can wipe your brush off without having to keep going over to wherever you are. It's keeping it all close. And I like that. I have a couple of ring palettes, old ones, and to be honest, I was not overly keen on some of them, but I like this matches. I like the idea of a ring palette. One for using my thumb at times. But I like this one I had little like dips in, so you could put colour in different dips, but I just didn't like it, and it was a pain in the backside to clean, and you couldn't mix, and it was really hard to, you know, wipe excess off because you were dipping in all the time. But this is a really nice idea, and obviously it matches, which I do like things to match. So this was the set. So then on top of that, I ordered a couple of extra things. Now, at the time of placing my order, these 2 products weren't on the website in this colour, this look, but I asked, and she said, oh yes, I've got them coming, they're just not on there yet, just leave a note. So I did, and so I got a beautiful tool tray in the matching. So this is something you can lay your tweezers, yep. See what else have I got? Yep, cuticle pusher. Yep. What else have I got? Scissors. There we go. So you can lay your tools on your table. If you're a working tech, you could, once you've cleaned all your tools ready for your next client, you could lay them on that, and then you could just put a little bit of tissue or something over top ready, uncover it, and there you go. Take them off. Maybe you want to get a couple of trays, and then you can have, your sanitized tools ready, covered for your next client, and on the trays. So I like that. I'm one where when I'm working at my table here, often if I'm filming or I'm doing certain things, I've just got things laying all over the place. I'm always losing lids to, like all my brushes have got lids. I'm always losing those. So I thought something like this, where I can just keep everything together, and then instead of sort of finding, because obviously, as you know, I'm sat on my bed here, and I often put things on the bed next to me, and then I can't find it. So I thought, right, get something like this. I can put it all on there, have it to one side, and then when I've finished, it'll all be there. So got my tool tree, and when I do get my nail room, I can actually have this on my desk properly, and looking really nice. And then, so the last thing I got, again, this was on the website, but not in this sort of opal design, but I think it is now. And I got a little brush pot to go with, because I thought I like things that match. And so the brush pots are actually available in these square ones or round ones. I might get myself a round one as well eventually. But I thought that'd be nice, especially when I'm doing something, maybe if I'm doing a gel polish design or something, where if I'm having a bad pain day and things, I often sit in my bed doing things. I have a little lap tray and a lamp and things. And I thought something like these as well for those days, because I can go over to my little nail area where I have everything, and I can just put the brushes I will need in here, and I can put the tools I will need on there, and then I could just take it all over instead of sort of chucking everything and then having it all over the place again. So that was my order, and they are really, really beautiful products. I'm really impressed with these. They are stunning. Now, I will make a little confession, and that is that I have already placed another order. Not for a round tool jar, but you know what? I think I might have to get one. And it's my birthday tomorrow, so, that seems appropriate to treat myself. So that was just my little quick unboxing. I'm definitely going to be using these. So keep an eye out in some of my design videos to see if you can spot these in the background when I'm working. I will pop the link in the description box to Painted and Posted. I highly recommend checking them out. Anyway, I hope you're all keeping well, and I'll be back very soon with a design video. It's got loads that need editing, but I still wanted to do this. But I'll see you all in another video very, very soon. Bye! Mwah.